Hey, what's up guys? It's Chanda here, back with another video where I dive into website and app that promise to help you make money online. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumb up and share it with anyone looking to make a little extra cash from home. Trust me, they will thank you later. Today I'm doing a deep dive into KashKick. I know a lot of you are curious, so grab a snack, sit back and let's talk about the way that KashKick is actually worth your time or just another money-making mirage. But hey, before you rush to sign up, there are a few things you really need to know. And stick around till the end because I've got a way for you to make really money online, and it is not just about clicking survey all day. Trust me, you are going to want to hear this one. So what exactly is KashKick? It is one of those get paid to websites where you can make money by completing survey, watching videos, or completing small tasks. Think of it as a virtual side hustle hub where your couch can finally pay rent. The cool things, you don't need any special skills or qualification. If you can click buttons, KashKick is pretty much for you. But let's be real, just how much cash are we kicking around here? Okay, so here is how KashKick really works. You stand up, start completing survey or tasks, and boom, money start trickling in. The tasks are simple, but don't expect to get rich. You won't be buying a Ferrari with KashKick cash anytime soon. Survey usually pay between 50 cents to $2. They also offer some cash deal if you sign up for certain services. It is a decent way to make a few bucks in your downtime, like when you are watching Netflix or waiting for your pizza to arrive. But remember, it is a grind. You are not going to earn $100 overnight. If is that what you are looking for, stick around because I have got a much better option coming up. Now, KashKick is great and all, but if you are looking to mix things up, here are a few alternatives you might want to check out. Sandbox, this one lets you make money in a variety of ways, from taking survey to watch TikTok videos. Yeah, you hear me right, getting paid to scroll TikTok. Survey time, this site pay you instantly after each survey. None of that waiting around nonsense. If you are someone who wants that instant gratification, this could be your gem. Essence, another solid option. They offer survey, cashback, even some higher paying offers. Think of it as a KashKick cousin. Same family, slight different vibes. Now, those sites are all fine if you are looking to earn pocket change. But what if I told you there is a way to earn serious money, like pay your rent kind of money? Sound good, right? Let me introduce you to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically recommending products or services to people. When someone signs up or make a purchase through your special links, you earn a commission. It is like being a digital matchmaker. Trust me, it's way more profitable than taking survey all day. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a while now, and it is the main way I make money online. In fact, I've put together a 7-day email affiliate bootcamp where I teach you step by step how to get started and actually succeed. Whether you are totally beginner or someone who's double a bit, this bootcamp will help you unlock the potential of affiliate commissions. Here is the deal. You can keep grinding on KashKick and those sites, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if you really want to take control of your financial future, affiliate marketing is where it is at. And the best part, you can learn everything you need to get started in just 7 days. I've got a free 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp where I walk you through the entire process, from setting up your first affiliate links to earn your first commission. It is the same system I use to make money online, and you can do it too. The link to join is in the discussion box. So if you found value in this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future reviews or money making tips. And hey, if you have tried KashKick, Sandbox, survey time, or Essence, let me know in the comment how it is working for you. I would love to hear your experience. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep making that money online. I will see you in the next video.